Hello friend, this is Pet Lover Man. I'm back with another cat video. In this video, my pet cat Dustin is sitting and relaxing. Let me see what it does. Dustin is now sitting and relaxing. Dustin, Dustin, Dustin is sitting and relaxing and yawning. Sitting and yawning actually. So Dustin is sitting and yawning. Hello Dustin. Dustin. Dustin is sitting and relaxing and playing. Anyway friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. Anyway friends, have a nice day. Bye.